Hi everyone! Today I'll show you how to delete Microsoft Edge from your Windows system. Let's dive in. Open your preferred browser. In the search bar, type Wise Uninstaller and hit enter. Click on the official link for Wise Program Uninstaller. Download the free version of Wise Uninstaller. Once the download is complete, open the installer file. Click on Install. Click Finish. Wise Uninstaller will start minimized. Click on the Wise Uninstaller icon on your taskbar. You will see a list of all installed programs. Find Microsoft Edge in the list and click on it. Select Force Uninstall to remove Edge completely. Then click Yes to confirm. Click Remove to remove all associated files. Some may fail, but if you search for Edge, you won't find it anymore. Now let's prevent Microsoft Edge from reinstalling. Click on the Start button and search for Registry Editor, and hit Enter. In the Registry Editor, double-click on HKey Local Machine. Expand the Software folder. Right-click on the Microsoft folder, then select New, then Key. Name the new key Edge Update. Right-click on the right pane, select New, then DWord 32-bit value. Name the new value Do Not Update to Edge with Chromium. Double-click on Do Not Update to Edge with Chromium. Change the value data from 0 to 1. Click OK and close the Registry Editor. Restart your computer to apply the changes. After restarting, Microsoft Edge should no longer be present on your system, and it will not reinstall, even after a Windows update. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comment section below. We're eager to hear from you.